Sustainability demands innovation at the source. ZinBlock is the proof of our commitment to the circular economy and upcycling. We partnered with a juice factory and conducted an in-depth study of their ginger waste. The result? We discovered valuable molecules that would otherwise be discarded, which now offer superior hair protection against UV radiation. This innovation doesn't just solve a waste problem, it creates high value. Because of this, the ZinBlock case was selected from 290 global businesses and recognized as one of the 3 main successful cases in circular economy innovation at the Business Award LAC 2025, an award led by the EU Circ Business Lab Point. The awards committee acknowledged that ZinBlock represents one of the most innovative contributions to advancing circular economy practices. Position ZinBlock not only as an anti-exposome shield, but as the ethical and award-winning choice for a greener future. ZinBlock, where hair protection meets sustainable innovation.